Hey guys, I am gonna do a truck tour. So this is my truck. Let me go around it. I'm by myself, so bear with me. This is a 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This is the front. Oh, I gotta show you the headlights. I'll turn it on and show it to you in a second. Let me just go around. Okay, so obviously special tires lifted up. Oh, should I not show that? And look at the American flag on the back. Oh my gosh. It's been rainy, so that is why it looks like it's gone through something. A hurricane, probably. Okay. Let me turn it on for you. And this is the inside. I like this special thing. Okay, hear it. Yeah, it's kind of loud. They did something to the exhaust. It connects to my phone. Oh, there's my head there. And it's got 4 doors. And I feel like that's pretty much it. Yeah, it does the Apple CarPlay thing. And I'm about to go drive to the lake, so I'm glad I did this because I've been kind of wanting to do it. I just think it'd be fun. Okay, shout out to all the girl truck drivers there breaking stereotypes. Love y'all, bye.